Hey, put it, hold on. Go ahead.
She had smell-o-vision. All right, guys, so here's the deal. Steven has talked me into going ahead and welding up the rear axle in the old truck tonight and knock that out. So we're gonna do the Lincoln locker slash lunchbox locker. What else they call it? No more one wheel peel, one world wonder, single tire fryer for Stanley. If this is your first video to watch, Stanley is our 1966 GMC that I've been building. Its LS swap, 4L80, gonna get a turbo, all that kind of fun stuff. So to get this done, I gotta pull the sway bar, the rear sway bar, and pull the cover anyways, because you can see how much it's been leaking under there for a long time. So I'll go and get that knocked out. Up real good. That brake cleaner.
That's it. Hey, put it, hold on. Go ahead.
She had smell-o-vision.
Put it neutral.
I mean, that's both wheels, man. Both wheels going forward. All right, so that's awesome. I know you probably didn't learn a whole lot because we went through that kind of fast, but Steven, do you have any tips you want to give these nice folks?
A lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning.
So buy 2 cans of brake cleaner at Walmart or O'Reilly's. I think they're $2 a can. Spend it, just get it. What else? Oh, do burnouts.
Well, yeah.
That's the goal.
Heck yeah.
Is to spin both back tires. So anyways, subscribe to the channel because soon, very, very soon, like maybe, probably not the next Stanley video, but the one after that, we're doing burnouts. Donuts, burnouts, rev limiter, it's gonna be nuts. All right, thanks.